Ristretto means restrict in Italian. With a ristretto, we aim for around 15 to 20 mils, or 0.5 to 0.7 liquid ounces, in 20 to 25 seconds, resulting in a shorter extraction compared to the espresso, delivering a more intense shot. Start by purging your group head and preheating your portafilter. Remove and then dry before grinding. Next, grind your freshly roasted beans and give the portafilter a few taps like this to settle the grounds and distribute evenly before tamping on a nice level surface. The most important thing is consistent pressure and then visually check your tamper is level. Use the razor tool after tamping to ensure you have the correct dose. It precisely controls the height of the tamped coffee, a critical variable. Place the portafilter firmly into the group head and you're good to go for your extraction. Before you start the shot, make sure you set your cup underneath. Today, we're splitting our shot between 2 cups. Hit the 2-cup button and let the machine work its magic. Espresso should drop from the spouts at around 8 to 10 seconds. Now we're going to create our ristretto by cutting our shot short to around 15 to 20 seconds, giving us around 15 to 20 mils or 0.5 to 0.7 fluid ounces of intense, flavorful coffee. What we're looking for is an extraction flow that looks like warm honey and a crema topping pure black coffee. If ristretto is your thing, here's a tip for you. Try a lighter roast to counter some of the bitterness you'll find in darker roasts. Enjoy.